Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off compact mode on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Facebook's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Display and Accessibility. This will take you to a page where you can adjust various appearance and accessibility settings for your Facebook experience. Now, find the Compact Mode section. Under this option, you'll notice a toggle or button labeled Off. Click on it to disable Compact Mode. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Compact Mode on Facebook. Your interface will now switch back to a more spacious layout, making it easier to navigate and view content. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Facebook browsing experience.